Hey, it's Marco here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. This week we're just going to go over a little tip to extend the service life of your airbags. So if you don't have airbags, you can turn away now. What we want to do is, everyone's heard that pop, you know, you have your outriggers high, you let the truck down, you go to air up your airbags, big pop. And what that is this airbag material in here. That'll actually, once it's stretched out, sometimes it can fold in on itself and pinch when you put the truck down. So just a quick tip, once you have the boom down, if you're up on your outriggers, boom stowed away and you're just ready to put it down, hop in the cab, flick your air switch up for your airbags, and what'll happen is, as you're bringing the outriggers down, once it gets past your ride height, the leveling valves in the truck will actually put pressure just slowly in that bag and pop it out as you bring that truck down. And what it'll do is it'll avoid pinching that bag, and over time, if it pinches and that pop keeps happening, that's stressful, right? So it reduces the stress on the bag and can extend the service life of it. Overall, it's just good practice to do and something you should bring into a habit. Really, the main thing you want to watch out for while doing this is just to make sure that the boom is stowed. There is no danger once the boom's stowed, but if the boom's in the air, always make sure your suspension stays dumb. Yeah, so this is just the airbag material, and what it'll do is it'll actually go in and in. And when this sits, it'll pinch on itself. When you let it up, what it'll do is the air pressure will push out, and since it's under the pressure of the truck sitting on it, it'll pop out, you'll hear a big bang, and what it can do is it'll actually, little cracks in the fibers of the airbag, and what it can do over time is just blow that airbag out and you'll pop a bag. So if you flick the switch before putting your airbags down, before it gets to the point of the truck sitting on it, it'll have a positive pressure in that airbag, pushing those sides out and away from collapsing on each other. If you have any questions, comments, let us know, and we'll see you next week.